with a vision for humanity's welfare, an ideology to bring people and technology together, and a mission to build the largest tech community in the world. 3 aspiring visionaries: Omar Khan, OK, His Highness Sheikh Marwan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and Samil Chaudhry, formed Innovation Factory, embarked on the mission with only 4 planned projects and a small team, with 2020 and 2021 being the years of planning and achieving initial milestones. Innovation Factory grew exponentially during 2022-2023, and the ecosystem expanded to 28 projects. Innovation Factory established a new head office in Dubai with 300+ in-house employees. Design, digital marketing, customer support, R&D, finance, project management group, project engineering group, business IT, DevOps, quality assurance, and logistics. Innovation Factory is recognized by some of the prominent trade and commerce authorities in the world, including Poland, Lithuania, Turkey, USA, and UAE. Teams from around the globe. With an expanded team of 500+ employees from around the globe, we have established teams in different regions, including India, Pakistan, Russia, Turkey, China, and Africa. We have signed 5 international celebrities as brand ambassadors: the Sultan of Swing, Wasim Akram, Bollywood superstar Sanjay Dutt, cricket legend Azharuddin, Bollywood singer Ali Kuli Mirza, journalist and TV anchor Always Mangavala. Ecosystem growth and project development. In 2022-2023, Innovation Factory spent $12 million+ on development. Blockchain Foundation was redeveloped to support smart contracts, NFTs, gaming, and Web3 projects. BFI Coin got listed on the top 10 crawlers in crypto exchanges, including CoinMarketCap, OnRamp, LBank, Bitmart, and more. 23 new projects were added to the ecosystem, out of which 11 projects have already been launched. Innovation Factory has generated a community of 15 million+ members across 205 countries. To become the fastest growing tech community, it has changed the lives of 5 million+ people and distributed wealth of $900 million+ around the globe. First Investment became a people's favorite. First Investment quickly gained 200,000+ subscribers who generated a business of $50 million+. Exchange On acquired a team of 80+ Chinese and Russian developers and signed agreements with 5 countries to offer citizenship via cryptocurrency: Dominica, Vanuatu, St. Lucia, St. Kitts and Nevis, Grenada. All 5 citizenships are purchasable via BFI coins on Explore the World. 50+ developers are signed from Silicon Valley, the USA, the Middle East, China, and Europe to work on MetaMall, our metaverse project. Developers of famous entertainment apps are signed to develop Jokers, our entertainment app. Associate Partners. We've strategically partnered with top global associations, combining diverse expertise for mutual growth. Recently launched projects: Blockchain Foundation for Innovation and Collaboration, a 4th-generation blockchain for change makers, innovators, and visionaries that offers hybrid scalability and effortless computation for Web 3.0, artificial intelligence, decentralized apps, and Internet of Things. Super 11, a fantasy sports app powered by blockchain technology. Game OK, a decentralized gaming platform for those who love to play without interruption. B-Store, world's first blockchain-powered e-commerce platform for online shopping across the globe. Bolito, Certic certified smart contract with the world's first co-matrix plan. Events by Innovation Factory. Crypto Expo Dubai 2022. Innovation Factory participated in the world's biggest blockchain and crypto event, the Crypto Expo Dubai. The company became a center of attention by offering some of the most unique new projects to the audience. Burj Khalifa Armani event. A grand corporate event was conducted at the Armani Ballroom, Burj Khalifa, Dubai. The event hosted some of the biggest names and prominent figures from various industries in the presence of international media. Innovation Factory signed Mr. Wasim Akram as its brand ambassador during a special press conference at the Dubai head office. An agreement was signed by Mr. Omar Khan and Mr. Wasim Akram to move forward together in the interest of the company's vision and mission. After a successful participation earlier, Innovation Factory revisited the Crypto Expo Dubai in 2023 with a new project and was awarded for being the fastest growing crypto community. Grand Thailand event. Community has always been the heart of Innovation Factory. A mega seminar and celebrative event was hosted by the company in Thailand to acknowledge and appreciate our rapidly growing community across the globe. Celebration of 5 million members. Innovation Factory's management, along with some global leaders, celebrated the milestone of achieving 5 million plus community members in a very short period of time. Category sponsor of Pakistan Super League Season 8. Sponsor of Pakistan vs Afghanistan Cricket Series. Acquired candy team for Lanka Premier League 2023. Title sponsor, Asia Cup 2023. Joint ventures. Innovation Factory entered into a joint venture with Mr. Sanjay Dutt to establish Nargis Dutt and Hafiza Nazir Cancer Research Center. An MOU was signed by Mr. Omar Khan, His Highness Sheikh Marwan bin Muhammad bin Rashid Al Maktoum, and Mr. Sanjay Dutt to officially initiate the project. Representing Innovation Factory, Mr. Omar Khan launched another joint venture with Mr. Sanjay Dutt to establish the biggest 3D visual effects and production studio in India. Innovation Factory hosted a massive meetup in Dubai to invite prestigious members of the community from around the globe and share some insights about the company's future prospects. An official delegation from Innovation Factory's Turkish community visited the head office in Dubai. They appreciated the company for its marvelous efforts and were rewarded with souvenirs by Mr. Omar Khan. The princess, along with her delegation, enjoyed a corporate dinner and discussed a potential partnership in the interest of mutual growth. Beloved Candy Cricket Team, acquired by Innovation Factory, displayed a historical effort in the Lanka Premier League 2023 and became the champions of the season after winning the league. Upcoming events. The biggest corporate event by Innovation Factory. 22,000 plus qualifiers from 20 countries will join the mega event. And project launch ceremony in Pattaya, Thailand. Music concert at Coca-Cola Arena by Innovation Factory in Dubai. The mega concert will host some of the biggest stars from all over the world, including Rihanna, Beyoncé, Nora Fatehi, and many others. Innovation Factory plans to bring sports and technology closer by sponsoring the world's biggest sports events, including FIFA, Cricket World Cup, Olympics, and NBA, among others. Upcoming projects. Full On, an advanced media player app to revolutionize the experience of watching movies and TV shows. Time to Travel, a global scale platform to host smart arrangements for travel, tourism, and accommodation anywhere in the world. Love Wallet, a decentralized tool to keep your digital assets safe and secure. Our goals for 2023-2024. List BFI coin on top exchanges. 5+ American and European celebrities from the sports and entertainment industry to be signed as ambassadors. Establishment of regional offices in the UK, USA, and Europe. The company will allocate a marketing budget of approximately $100 million. $10 million will be allocated exclusively for 50+ exchange listings and 100+ crawler listings in 2023-2024. Innovation Factory will extend its in-house team to 1,500+ members, with dedicated teams for each project. The company will acquire a 9,500 square foot office space in DIFC, Dubai for its extended operations, and London, UK. 2023-2024 will be marked as the most productive year for Innovation Factory, with the most significant events and historical growth numbers. Let's design our future for the better together.